Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to find the legendary sword dealer and where he spawns in all location. So first and foremost, he probably spawns here in the Coliseum. Next is underneath the Coliseum and the water irrigation system, and after that we go straight ahead to Green Island, and after that you're going to wait at night. Now this is quite hassle because this guy only spawns for like once in 5 hours and he stays for like 15 minutes. So one of these hexagonal buildings here on the main island, and you can find him here on Repindra and on top of Cake Island here. Just try to find him, Grave Island and all of that. These are the locations that he usually spawns to. So just I wish you luck on finding this guy. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.